with you, okay?
Good morning and welcome to VLOGMAS Day 20. Guys, welcome guys. I'm so happy to have you all here. If you're here from day one, then big up to you. Today your girl is up super early because I actually have a radio interview prepping for like in the next 5 minutes or so. So it is with Nationwide News Network. As we know, Nationwide here in Jamaica, they basically want to have a little chat with me as it pertains to my experience at market at the lawn the other day. So I'm super excited. And I kind of said yes because it's a radio interview, because chances are if it was an in-person interview, I don't know how I'd hold up, because as I said, I haven't been feeling the best. But your girl is, trying to get up and, shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Yes, so let's go prep for that. This should be calling me soon. So yeah, let's go. It's almost time. Guys, my nervous bad. My nervousness. It's okay, Shanice. It's fine, girl. You've got this. You do this every day. You sit and talk to a phone every day. Right, guys? We've got this. We can do a little phone call, right? I also have some notes here, just so I stay on track, because when I know how I can bust ears and just go off on a tangent, I don't want that to happen, because we literally have 5 minutes for the interview. So let's go. Just shake off the nerves, girl. Shake it off. 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 We've got this. They're calling. Hello, good morning. Speaking.
Hi, Mr. McCrae, we're calling from Nationwide Radio.
Hi, morning. How are you?
I'm good. Alright, so just about ready for you for your interview with Nora.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, hold on for her, please. Wrapping up with previous interview.
No problem.
It's $500,000. So if you can think of someone who fits those categories, together we can really help to make Christmas very bright for other people this year and next year. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Kenya Mattis, for joining us this morning, talking to us about the NCD Foundation's graduation program for 2024, the winner. We move right along to speak with Ms. Shanice Wright. She is the CEO of Club Couture, and she's going to tell us about contactless shopping this Christmas. And I understand that Club Couture is also at market at the lawn. Good morning, Shanice.
Hi, good morning. How are you guys this morning?
I am good. The team is good. How are you?
I am doing great.
Good. All right. So before we jump into using NCD contactless EPOS, talk to us about your business, Club Couture JA. What is it about?
Okay, wonderful. So Club Couture JA is the brainchild of, a young girl who used to make dolls, make clothing for her dolls, and, just always had that burning desire for fashion design. So firstly, I am a self-taught fashion designer. I actually left my 9-to-5 a couple years back to focus solely on my fashion design business. And currently we are on the online space of providing, handmade, local, unique pieces, swimwear and vacation wear. So that's what Club Couture is all about.
Awesome. Local business there.
Yeah.
Fashion designer giving you local pieces. Love that. business owner. She will also be at Market at the Lawn this Sunday on the lawns of Devon House. So you can check out Club Couture JA at Market at the Lawn this Sunday, December 22. We take a break. When we come back, we have more insight.
I think I should hang up now. Guys, that was so nerve-wracking. I don't know. I think I got like tongue-tied in some areas. I don't know. My brain was all over the place. And then Jameer came out here vomiting. I don't know what he was putting in his mouth. I saw him go like and spitting something on the front. Be like, Jameer, go. What was in your mouth, young man? Why you keep putting stuff in your mouth? Oh my God. Because when I work in my towel and the check, when I work in my towel and she will charge it because and it would not turn on that fast because when my towel charged it turned on, so I got to lock it off, but the timer didn't turn on and it takes a lot of time. Okay, I'm so sorry you had that experience. You okay though? I just saw this young man spitting something out of the I'm like, Jameer, no, it's not the time to spit something now in the interview. But it was okay, guys. It was for the most part. Other than the part that when I said bag of foolishness, it was okay. You guys can be the judge of that. Let me know what you think of this. It's a radio interview. Now we're gonna get ready to, well, first I have to make them breakfast, get them something to eat. As usual, I'm not really hungry, and then we're gonna head on the road today. So stay tuned for the rest of the day's festivities. Today is VLOGMAS day 20.
Jameer touch me.
Jameer, don't touch your brother. Hey guys, so we are out and about on the road. We have the boys with us. Boys, say hi.
Hi. Mommy?
Yes? Jameer, what are you doing to your brother? Jameer is lying in his lap. They're all buckled up and
me when I'm not.
he's troubling you?
Yeah, the last night you were pinching me when you were sleeping.
Jameer, stop pinching my brother with my sleep.
I don't remember.
You didn't remember that? Okay, so we have 3 things to do today, guys. Well, really 2, but you know, food have to involve. So first stop we're making is I'm dropping off a couple orders to a customer of mine. I don't know if you guys saw the hours I'm up last night. I work my skin to the bone or whatever the saying is. So yeah, I finished those. I wanted to drop it off to her because it's on the way to the store. That, guys, listen, I'm not even going to the store time here. So remember the other day we went to Portmore and by God's grace we found the garment rack that I was looking for. Happy like penny pound weekend, but Shanice made the biggest mistake. 2 mistakes. So one mistake I made, I did not let them check the package before I left the store with it. As a girl, I was a check our food order for ensure them put everything in there. You'd think I checked the package, I didn't. 2, I did not set up the rack the same day, because if I had, then I would have known that there were no screws in the freaking box. Oh, that makes sense to set up the rack with no screws. Jameer was leave my things. So I ended up set up the thing the Saturday night. The event was a Sunday. No screws, so I didn't get a chance to use it. I don't know if you guys saw the event. The rack was not there. We ended up making a quick stop at Phil's on the morning because listen, I was so stressed. But thank you for my man and my man. Thank you to my man. He did not stop until he got me a hanger. So he made a couple calls and his friends gave him a few recommendations, but only Phil's was open at the time, the Sunday morning, thank God. Went into Phil's, their home department, their home section. And what if me telling you say a 1 garment hanger upon the aisle, 1. Like he just sit down there wait for me. I mean, I say no sir. Look at God. So I got it in time for the event, set it up, it did the job. I don't know what I'll do with it after. Maybe for events I could use it, but it's not as sturdy, which is why I was looking for one that was made a bit better. Yes, my love?
Wait. What year is it?
We're in the year 2024. When this year is done, we're going into the year 2025. Okay. So we're taking back the hanger. See if them can exchange it. Ensure so the one I get this time, because I do need it, has the screws and stuff in it. And then we'll get some food. There's this place I've been meaning to take the boys. I haven't told them yet. Not tell them yet. It's gonna be a surprise. You hear that, boys?
Yeah.
I have a surprise for you. I've been meaning to take them. I mean,
I know what it is.
you don't know. Disneyland. No, my love. I'm gonna take you to Disneyland, you know, but just not today. Okay? We're gonna plan a little trip. Javi, what's your guess?
You're gonna get the top while you put on your car.
Toys? No, them tie they not reach. Guys, speaking of toys, the Christmas here look dim. The tie them look like the gifts in general, because another boy them alone my buy stuff for. The gifts not look like them are reaching time, because I don't know, me not hear from my shipping company. Javi, calm down. Never get some backup gifts. Usually them would have say, you know, receive that warehouse, and like it's been a week. No, me not even get that. Receive a warehouse email, much less ready for pick up email. Another shipping company I mean I rave about the other day, but I mean I can't too beat them because it is the Christmas season and me just last minute as usual. But God, please work some magic for where I walk. I beg of you, I make sure that ensure the packages get here before Christmas. If it's even not there before Christmas, please, because I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. So enough chatting, guys. Come along with us for the day and see what we get up to. Yeah. What are you saying now, Javi? Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Hands. Stand up right here. Don't move. I have to take this thing out. Jump down, Javi. Then you gotta stop at the end. You gotta look left. You gotta look right. Do you see any cars coming? No, we go. Come over here. Walk over here. The car is right there. So guys, I actually got box. Open the trunk for me. Press the key first. Press the key and then open the trunk.
And then to come inside.
Come this way.
Everybody happy when the rice box up. Me down from friends up like a sound star. Come here.
Check it out. Wow. Is it real water?
Yes.
So why are you touching it?
I didn't know it was
It's real.
I'm gonna touch it.
Come, let's go.
Wow! I would want it to be in our house.
Alright, tell your daddy to buy one for you. Guys, we're back in Super Shopping Depot. I don't even remember what your name. And the boys are going off because everything them see them want. We just saw the coolest Spider-Man lamp. See them have mirrors. Itchy. Come, we don't need the mirror. Maya break it. If we break it, we... Okay. So I'm just letting them have a look, see. If we see anything we like, we might pick it up, but we never really come for the know. But shopping, we just came to exchange the thing, and that's it. I don't even see no toys. Let's see if they have toys down there. I don't see any toys. I wonder if it's like a household thing only. Wait on me, Bugsy.
Wait, what are you at?
Let's see. Yes.
Mommy, if we run, we don't get what we want to get, right?
Yeah, look at all these cool cars. This is for our baby though. You're too big for this car.
They're
Come.
dirty.
It's okay. Leave it.
Mommy, what can we get in here?
We have so many toys for the kiddies.
Oh!
Love
Transformers! That would be perfect. Can we get these?
it. Let's look around first and see.
Yeah, go
Them
look
have
around.
football,
Oh, dinosaurs. Oh, hey.
some Barbie dolls,
Oh.
tables and chairs.
Iron!
A lot of cute like teddies. These are so cute. Look at this cute caterpillar.
Mom, we gotta get this.
What's that?
This.
Avengers.
Yeah, it's something for Spider-Man, and we made for Spider-Man. That there can be one Spider-Man, made two superheroes.
Oh, here's a guitar. I've been wanting to get one of these kiddies' guitars. You know, which one do you like music? Javi? Want to learn how to play an instrument?
Mommy, this is something.
I make beer nice. I'm a Javi. Would you like to learn how to play an instrument? Yes or no? Okay, let me show you. Javi, I don't touch anything. There you go like this. You want me to buy it for you?
I might want to do it.
So I found this Monopoly. It's bringing back childhood memories. I'm thinking of getting it. It's just $2,000.
Yeah, Mommy. And Mommy, if you buy me, then we will play that with you, okay?
Okay, my love. So Jamir is having a bargain.
I think what I want the most.
What do you want the most now? Pick something.
This.
What is it? Sonic?
Yeah, Sonic outside.
Take it up, let me see.
It's gonna be cool because it has a steering wheel and can drive.
Hungry.
Mommy? Jamie ran.
Jamir, no running.
Running.
So guys, they're having a raffle where you can win all of these wonderful prizes. I added my name and my numbers, so I'm placing it in the box and hopefully I win. I'm gonna put it down at the bottom. Alright, let's go walking that way.
Okay, Daddy, weird.
So guys, we are now in the Wendy's drive-thru. I definitely want to go ahead and try their ham-tastic because you know it's Christmas season. I had it last year and it was busting. Yeah, I think last year was my first time trying it, so I'm back this year. I've been seeing a lot of reviews online and I'm hearing that they may or may not have changed like a sauce or something in it is different, but we're gonna test it out today and see. Need water? I'm also gonna get Jamir a Frosty. Jamir like Frosties?
Sure.
He's an ice cream fan, so I guess he'll like the Frosty. Me just run the curb, guys. Me don't know how the drive-thru is so tiny.
Can I have water,
I am starving. As you can see, we're going at the local Home Depot. Go buy up a bag of things that we never really need. It's called Super Home Depot or something like that. Well, we kind of need some of them because me tell the boys them package or them Christmas gifts may not reach in time, so they picked up a toy each. They got a toy for their cousin and I got like a little bathroom mat set and a shower curtain for the bathroom because we never really get to buy much house stuff this Christmas, so I got that. My bill came up to like $8,000, which isn't bad, and now we'll get food, so that's another bill. So yeah, let's see. So I'm gonna get Jamir a Frosty, let him try it out. I don't think, have you ever had a Frosty before, my love? And you're sweating, look at your face.
Is it one fluffy?
Yeah, it's kind of like an ice cream milkshake kind of thing. I'll let you try it. Alright, Javi, you want nuggets? Yeah. I'm gonna get nuggets for Javi.
Javi.
So yeah. No problem. Five pieces is okay for you? Should I get the combo with the fries and juice or just nuggets only? You can look at the board, my love. Tell me what you want. French fries and chicken nuggets. So good afternoon. Afternoon. Could I try a ham-tastic, please?
Beef or chicken ham-tastic?
Beef.
Beef?
Yes, please.
Flavor drink?
Mango peach. I'd also like the 8-piece nuggets combo.
Flavor drink?
Same mango peach. And an original Frosty, please. Vanilla.
Mommy, which one are you ordering? The one that have one W on it or the one that don't?
Yes, that's it.
2,875.
2,875? Alright, no problem. Thank you.
Mommy, which one are you ordering? The one that have one W or the one that don't have one W?
The one that has a W, I think.
Mommy? I need 25. I need the 24. You're gonna wrap them up.
Yes.
Then put them under the tree.
Yeah.
After the 24, we are sleeping. Are you gonna put them under the tree?
Yes, and then it'll be the 25th and it'll be Christmas. Yay!
And Mommy, how many more days is then Christmas?
I soon tell you.
4.
5 more days until Christmas.
No. In 4.
How you feel about that? 5 more
4
days.
days. Then it's gonna be.
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Well, in 5 days it will be Christmas.
Then 44 days. Then it's gonna be Christmas. No. No, it's gonna be Friday and then no, 44.
So guys, go on ahead and comment. What do you want this Christmas? What do you want to wake up and see underneath your tree this Christmas? Leave it in the comments, and who knows, maybe Santa will stop by with your gift, right, Jamir? Are you gonna be Santa this year and get them some nice gifts? Gonna dress up in a Santa suit?
Mommy, isn't 8 is 49?
8 Ocho is 8, remember?
What?
Yeah, Quattro is 4.
Quattro?
Yeah, but it's Trece, Quince. I don't remember. Guys, what is 49 in Spanish? Because honestly, I don't remember. So Trece, Quince. My Spanish is rusty, but yeah, the line is moving pretty fast, so that's good. Food is here. So
Give me my chicken nugget. I'm on McDonald's. Give me my chicken nugget.
Javi, that's not how we operate.
Want to eat?
You mean my happy place of the world just social. So Javi, I got you chicken nuggets, right?
Yeah.
But it's very hot. Right? It's very hot. Are you listening? So guys, I've seen where they have this trend where they dip like the fries in the frosty. You guys wanna try fries and frosties?
No.
Why not? I wanna try it. Javi, what you think? Come over. You wanna try it? You're gonna dip the fry in the frosty.
I don't like it.
Here, come on, man, just have a little try. Javi, you're frying.
If I don't like it,
If you don't like it, you don't have to eat it. So we're doing the frosty and the fries.
I think I'm leaving it there forever. Oh, what?
Is it a bop or a flop? What do you think?
Here.
It's a flop.
Where's my chicken
I
nugget?
don't like it.
Give me one drop to drink from.
So Jemmer's bodying me up for the sushi. There you go. Sit back. Javi,
I'm not getting any.
you have to take your time. Everything in this bag is for you, boys. This is your nugget. Sit back.
Yeah.
You have to take your time, Jamie. Put it in. Put it all the way down to the
I don't see
bottom.
my nugget.
It's very thick. It's like ice cream. It's
Ooh.
called frosty.
Mommy,
Still nothing?
I'm done my nuggets.
Yeah, eat up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try the Hamtastic. So I have it in beef and chicken. I got the beef, of course, because chicken, really. So I can see all the deliciousness in there. So the ham, the cheese, lettuce. It looks so fresh. It looks like it's freshly made. Well, I think it's freshly
Can you
made.
blow it for me?
Sure, my love. Give me a sec. And put it in the AC. Travis nuggets are a bit hot, so I'm putting them in the AC for him. I'll leave them up here so they can cool for you, baby. Don't worry. Alright. So I'm gonna give the Hamtastic a try. I want to ensure that I get some ham on my first bite. Hopefully this is recording.
Is it good?
So let's give it a try.
Mom, look. I have 1,000. Have some.
Not for come.
Okay. But so delicious steak. Big grimace steak. There's a one grimace steak. Do you want one grimace steak? Oh, because
Absolutely delicious. Give me 14 more of them.
give me some beef.
This is ham.
Ham.
Jamie loves the ham. You know what? Somebody just say you love ham. You ate ham the other day at the party, my love.
Oh, that ham tastes different from that one.
Okay. Not a lie, this buzzy bag. No, the first if I come mess up my flavor. I want the first to say. No, I know.
Mommy?
Thank you.
I don't know how long it's going to take.
There you go.
It's time for me to dig in.
Javi's gonna do a taste test. Are you doing a taste test for them? Come over. Come in the middle. So Dav is trying Wendy's nuggets. He's had them before.
And I didn't want to taste that well. Hey, I would.
Alright, let Dav do his taste test.
No, hey, your taste.
How is it?
Let me taste some of those chicken nuggets.
Let everybody taste one. How it is?
Yeah.
Tastes bad?
It kind of tastes good.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna eat it all for myself. I'm not gonna do anything.
This fantastic is slapping.
I'm not getting the chicken nuggets.
Then put the little sauce. I think the sauce is like the secret
Not too much chicken.
ingredient because without the sauce, it wouldn't taste so good. It's very juicy.
That means that with the sauce it will taste very good.
Without the sauce, it wouldn't taste so good. So I'm gonna mash it up right. I love it.
No.
It's our drink. Drink up, my love.
Mommy, is that, oh.
What do you think about the mango peach?
Mommy, where my flossy?
I have it right there.
Here?
This is not it, but you can have some. Your frosties over there. Guys, nigger. Guys, nigger right is walla tired.
I will never get tired.
Jamie said me tired. Jamie, what you cook up? I would love to hold a nap right here, but unfortunately we have to go.
Your foot is marking Agne's hair.
Jamie, where your foot I do up this so? What is your foot? Hey boy! It's a minute.
You gonna put it in another corner for that?
No, it's okay. I know he's just playing, but don't put your feet on anyone, baby. So now we're gonna head home. What you guys want to do for the rest of the day when we get home? Me tired enough. Me I go home, go sleep.
I'm not going to sleep.
What you wanna do?
I can stay up forever.
I need to go and clean. Yeah, I'm not cleaning how many days? 3 days. So I'm going to clean up my face and then go lie down. Fingers crossed, guys. So yeah, let's go.
Get home.
So guys, we are back home and I'm gonna do what I should have done a couple days ago, and that is to set up this shelf, right? Because I'm over it. So over it. I'm just gonna set it up, see what it's giving, and call it a day, right? So this time I ensured that I double checked it. Well, it's the same one that I got. They just replaced the screws or gave me the screws because they didn't have any screws in the first place. So this is the bag of screws that I got to help to assemble everything. So we're gonna do, and then you guys can see how it looks after. What's in there? Oh, wheels. Oh god, I'm having a headache, but let's tackle this. Let's tackle this and see. more pieces. This is supposed to like hold it together here, and another one there. Let me show y'all. This is how it's looking. So it has double bars, and then down at the bottom this is supposed to be like a shoe stand. I love it, guys, and it's much taller than my usual hanger. I have this thing here that's supposed to like be a beam to provide support. I didn't put that in just yet, but this is how it's looking, and I love it. Love it. It's gonna come in handy, of course. Okay guys, so we finally set up our garment rack, yes, or our clothing hanger, whatever you want to call it. I absolutely love it. It's definitely going to come in handy for my business as well as personal use, because you know I'm a fashion girl, or I'm trying to enter my fashion era. Yes, I'm a fashion designer, but to be honest, I have not really found my personal style as yet. So in the coming year, I shall be experimenting with fashion a whole lot more. So look out for like try-on hauls, what else, lookbooks, yeah, all of the nice things. Your girl will be doing it. So this hanger is going to come in handy for that. And I also have another one here, plus a small one that I bought the other day. So I have a lot of garment hangers or garment racks for my pieces. So yeah, if you guys need a plug for this garment rack, please let me know down below and I'll tell you where you can get it. I got it in Portmore, of course, Pines Plaza. If you need some more specific directions, I can give it to you, no problem. If you're a business owner and you need a rack, I got you, girl. So yeah, that's it for Vlogmas Day 20. So we're 5 days away from Christmas. Oh my god, can you believe it? Just the other day we were at Vlogmas Day 1, and look at us now, Day 20. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it. I hope you are all prepped and ready. I hope you are just ready to be showered with love and togetherness and just bask in this Christmas spirit. So until tomorrow, I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Vlogmas Day 21. Look out for it.